Watches have long been more than just timekeeping devices. They are a reflection of one's personality and style. For beginners entering the world of horology, finding the perfect watch can be an exciting yet daunting task. With a multitude of options on the market, it can be challenging to determine which timepiece is the best fit. In this video, we'll guide you through the top 5 best beginner watches, offering a blend of affordability and style to kickstart your watch collection. Our first watch in this video is the Golden Hour Men's Watch. If you're looking for a watch that combines elegance, functionality, and affordability, this is the one you need. Crafted with precision, this timepiece boasts a Japanese-imported quartz analog movement and battery, ensuring not just accurate timekeeping but also long-term reliability. With the Golden Hour, you're investing in a watch that can be your companion for over a year without missing a beat. Comfort is critical when it comes to the look you wear daily. That's why it features a genuine band, so soft and breathable that you'll forget you're even wearing it. Whether you're at a formal event or just going about your day, this watch, with its stainless steel mesh band, complements any occasion seamlessly. But the Golden Hour doesn't stop at being a stylish accessory. It's a multifunctional masterpiece. The subdials on this watch serve multiple purposes, from precise chronograph timing to keeping track of important dates with its calendar feature. Now, let's talk durability. This is waterproof up to 30 meters, making it resilient enough to handle your everyday adventures. Whether it's a sudden rain shower or an accidental dip, this watch won't let you down. Just remember, it's not suitable for swimming, showering, diving, or snorkeling. Each watch comes with a 1-year after-sales service. Are you seeking to elevate your wardrobe with a touch of sophistication? Look no further than the Golden Hour Men's Watch. It's the perfect combination of style and accuracy, sure to elevate any outfit and help you make the most of every moment. The Golden Hour Men's Watch emphasizes its precision, comfort, multifunctionality, durability, and customer service. Second, introducing the Measure Men's Analog Army Watch, a timepiece that embodies precision, style, and rugged functionality. This remarkable watch boasts a quartz movement for unparalleled accuracy in timekeeping, ensuring that you're always on schedule. The heart of this watch is the Hardlex wear-resistant crystal, protecting the face from scratches and daily wear and tear. Take a closer look at the surface electroplated alloy case and the big round face design. It's a masterpiece of craftsmanship, exuding a sense of strength and sophistication. The comfortable leather band with a safety clasp not only keeps the watch securely on your wrist, but also adds an element of refined style. This is an example of an ideal marriage between form and function. Now, let's talk about the unique dial design. It's equipped with a date display, making sure you're never caught off guard when someone asks for the date. But what truly sets it apart is the personalized luminous hands. These luminous hands are a game changer. They absorb light during the day and glow in the dark, ensuring that you can read the time even in low-light conditions. Now, let's talk about functionality. The watch is designed for action, not just for looking good. 2-second, 1-minute, and 1-hour subdials are included in the chronograph. This watch is perfect for timing laps on the track or measuring cooking intervals. Worried about water? Don't be. The Measure Men's Analog Army Watch is waterproof, but remember to keep it away from steam and hot water when washing your hands. And of course, take it off before swimming, diving, or bathing. The third watch we'll be talking about is Olev's men's watches, particularly their minimalist ultra-thin collection. More than just timepieces, these watches are statements of style, precision, and functionality. Olev's men's watches are a testament to superior craftsmanship. With a commitment to quality, these timepieces boast a Japan quartz movement. This combination ensures a remarkable battery life of up to 24 to 36 months, guaranteeing precise timekeeping for years to come. Hardlex crystal glass is used by Olev's to protect the watch's heart. It means your watch will endure the test of time, staying in pristine condition as long as you own it. The next step is to talk about the aesthetics. It boasts an ultra-thin minimalist design that's both simple and striking. The large dial, measuring 1.57 inches, commands attention. Its navy blue face with rose gold indices adds a touch of elegance to any outfit. The watch's classic style is further accentuated by a beveled round case and a genuine leather strap with a release pin buckle. It's not just a watch, it's a fashion statement that stands out in any crowd. Beyond its good looks, Olev's men's watches are highly functional. They feature a date calendar, ensuring you're always aware of the day's schedule. These watches are designed to complement your daily work, making it efficient and fast. Don't be worried about durability. Olev's men's watches are shockproof and 3 ATM water-resistant, up to 30 meters. You can confidently wear them during hand washing, swimming, or your daily activities, although they're not suitable for underwater adventures. Next up is Golden Hour Waterproof Nurse Watch for medical professionals. Imagine this. You're in the middle of a busy shift at the hospital, racing against time to provide the best care for your patients. In such moments, every second counts. That's where the Golden Hour Waterproof Nurse Watch comes to the rescue. Let's start with the basics. The watch features a crisp white dial with both 12 and 24-hour markers. But what truly sets this watch apart is the Japanese quartz movement, renowned for its precision. And there's something special about the highly visible red second hand. Accurately measuring pulse is crucial for medical professionals like doctors, nurses, and students. Picture this, a nurse quickly and confidently checking a patient's pulse thanks to that easily discernible red second hand. It's a small detail, but it makes a world of difference when every moment counts. Now, let's talk about durability and comfort. The Golden Hour Nurse Watch is designed to withstand the rigors of the medical field. It's made of high-quality materials, and the super soft 100% silicone band not only feels great on your wrist, but is also incredibly easy to clean. And the best part? It's water-resistant up to 30 meters. Your watch can handle splashes, spills, and hand washing with ease. But we know that style matters too. That's why the Golden Hour Nurse Watch is available in a variety of matching silicone band colors. Whether you prefer a sleek black, a pristine white, a calming blue, a professional gray, a vibrant red, or a soft pink, there's a style to match your personality and work attire. Last, in this video, we explore the world of timekeeping and style. We're diving deep into the exquisite Benyour men's quartz watches with silicone strap, a blend of precision and fashion that sets you apart from the ordinary. First, let's talk about the heart of this masterpiece, the Japanese imported quartz analog movement. It's not just a watch, it's a companion that keeps you on time, every time. Powered by a reliable battery, this watch ensures accurate timekeeping for more than a year, providing you with unparalleled reliability. Comfort meets style with the Benyour men's quartz watch. Its mineral lenses and alloy case not only make it durable, but also add a touch of elegance to your wrist. The silicone strap, a marvel of engineering, is soft, breathable, and incredibly comfortable. It's perfect for any occasion, whether you're in the boardroom or on a weekend adventure. Now, let's explore the functionality. The large, easy-to-read watch face is not just about telling the time, it's a statement. With the chronograph function, you can accurately measure elapsed time. Need a calendar? It's got you covered. Want to time your run? The Run Seconds subdial is there for you. This watch is a multitasker, designed to cater to your every need. The Benyour men's quartz watch is rated at 3 ATM waterproof. It can handle daily splashes or even a brief immersion in water, making it suitable for your active lifestyle. However, please note that it's not meant for swimming, showering, diving, or snorkeling. At Benyour, customer satisfaction is paramount. Each watch comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a generous 1-year warranty. Don't settle for the ordinary. Choose B. Benyar for the extraordinary. And there you have it, folks, our top picks for the best beginner watches. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more watch-related content, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to catching up with you in the next one.